Take two. All right. Handy fam. I see you out there, Handy fam. We did it. We hit our first 100 subscribers, and it's all thanks to you guys. Welcome to all those of you that I don't know in real life, and welcome to my channel. You are just in time because today I am announcing how to enter my first giveaway. The plan for this giveaway is pick one winner, order their shoes, conference with them about what they would want on their shoes, live stream that on my Twitch channel. So whoever's lucky winner can talk to me while I'm painting their shoes. The rules. Number one, you have to be subscribed to the channel. Number one. Number two, you have to comment down below what type of shoes, be specific, brand, style, you would want me to customize, and what size, be specific. Men's, women's, kids, toddlers, whatever it is. If I don't understand what you want, your comment will be tossed out. It will be not even included in the spin. I'll be choosing that comment at 9 a.m. on Saturday morning, and then at 3 p.m. we'll be uploading what I've been working on for the past 2 weeks. So in that video, I will be announcing the winner, and then the winner and I will conference. I'll get an idea of what they want on their shoes, and then we can set up our first live stream, and we'll get to painting those live. So remember, number one, subscribe to the channel. Number two, like the video. Number three, comment what shoe you would get, price cap $125, and what size you are. Now, if you do all those three things by 9 a.m. on Saturday the 26th, you'll be entered in a chance to win that exact pair of shoes that you comment in the comments down below. So get to it, guys. Watch the premiere of my next video at 3 p.m. on Saturday. Reagan's quite excited too. I've clearly got to go. All right, guys. See you Saturday.